family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's another episode of my life. So I'm going to be changing my bedspread in my house. I will change my own. I will go and change my kids' own. Then I will clean up the house. So it's going to be a very busy day in my life again today. So I want this one is for my son. I'm going to be changing the one you have now to this one. So I'm bed. This one is the one I'm going to put on my bed. So I'm going to be taking this one out. Then I'll take it to the washing machine. Then I'll change it to a new one. So that is what we're going to be doing. I don't know how to dance, so just kidding. So me here, trying to make my bed. So now I'm spreading my duvet, removing the old pillowcase. So this boy is here, it's gone. So removing the old pillowcase, then replacing it with the new one. So this is how we're gonna be doing it all of it. This is how we're gonna be doing all of it. So just trying to arrange my pillows on my bed. A lot of pillows. I like a lot of pillows on my bed. So I'm done with my bed. I'm in my son's side of the bed now, removing the new one from the back. Then I will take the old one from the bed. Then I will change the duvet and bed sheet and all. I will replace them with the new one so that it will be very comfy. So here I'm trying to take the ones that are changed. I will take it to the washing machine and wash it. Now I'm cleaning my wardrobe. I'm cleaning the wardrobe and the side drawer as well. So I just want everywhere to just be sparkling, sparkling. So here I'm trying to on the table lamp, cleaning the wardrobe, sweeping the room. See the way I'm sweeping as if I don't have strength. I'm sweeping it as if I don't even have single strength. So I'm just sweeping it anyhow, with strength or without strength. So I'm done sweeping and drawing the blind. So after drawing the blind, I'm going to be spraying this my air freshener. This air freshener is one of the best. I really love this air freshener. I always give the room a nice smell. So I'm going to my daughter's room. I'm already there. So I just bring out their bedspread from the wardrobe. So I want to change it now. Their jacket is on the bed. So I'm trying to remove the jacket on the bed. I want to put it back to the wardrobe. Then I'll fold a little bit of clothes that I have on the bed. I need to fold it before I'll start changing the blanket and the and the bedspread. So here I am removing the old blanket from the bed and even the bedspread as well. So I'm going to be replacing it with this one. So this one I'm going to be replacing it with this pink one. So see me the way I'm doing it. You see this duvet cover. It's the hardest thing for me ever. For me to change duvet cover is a lot of work. My hand will be like paining me. My hand will even be weak. I'll come and be stretching my hand like this. I'll be stretching it as if, see the way I'm saying like this. I'll be stretching my hand as if I'm doing a press up. It's very hard to change. So I finally changed the duvet cover. Now I'm trying to arrange it or spread it. I'm trying to spread it on the bed. Look at the way I'm doing it. Here is dark. The lightning is not that bright in the other place. In the other side of the room, I say the other place. In the other side of the room, the lightning is not that bright there. So I'm putting the pillow cover as well. So I'm done with this bed. I'm going to go to the next bed here. So I will do it exactly the way I do the first one. Or I say do. I will spread it exactly the way I spread the first one. So I will still remove it, change it like that. So I'm spreading it now I try to arrange it and make it smooth. So now I'm putting the pillow cover as well. So put the bear, teddy bear at the side, remove the rug. I want to remove this rug now. Then I'll dust it. So then after dusting, then I'll sweep, bring it back, sweep the other side of the room. So I'm sweeping the other side of the room now. Then even this rug as well, I'll dust it. Then I'll spread it back when I finish sweeping there. Then I will start cleaning the wardrobe. There are a lot of dust on this wardrobe. I don't know. Sometimes, I don't know, maybe because sometimes you open the window to change some air in the room. So you come and find dust on your cabinet in your room. Cabinet, they call it cabinet. Yeah, I think it's cabinet. So now I'm done cleaning the room now. I'm drawing the blind. Look at the room now. It's very, very neat. This room, if they come back from school, you will not know this room again. So see room now, it's very clean. Now I'm going to the bathroom. So I'm just going to take the what is it called, the foot mat in the bathroom off. Then I will sweep it. So after sweeping it, then I'm going to bring back the foot mat and replace it back. So after replacing it, then I'll clean the I say window. Then I'll clean the mirror. Then I'll go to the dining, sweep the dining. So this way is walking around. So see me sweeping the dining. So when I finish sweeping the dining, then I will clean the center table. Is this center table or dining table? Then I will clean the dining table, then clean the dining cabinets. This cabinet, these keys, they are always touching the cabinet all the time. So they are I'm done cleaning. Some people will be like, why is she cleaning with her glasses on? So I don't know. Since I got this glass, I don't like to wear this glass that much. But today I decided to wear it because I don't know. This my eye is paining me. Here it's swollen sharp. It's paining me, so I don't want dust to enter my eye while cleaning. So I decided to put it on. While I was cleaning, so my someone ring my bell or rang. Past tense, okay, rang. Someone rang my bell. So they delivered these leggings that I ordered for my daughters. I ordered these two leggings for my daughters. So they rang the bell, then they deliver it. I'm gonna open it now. You can just see it together since I'm filming. So look at the leggings. Winter is almost over. I don't even know why I'm still buying winter stuff. It's very warm. It's very, very warm. So it's for winter. Very, very cool. So this is the other one. I have two daughters, by the way. For those of you that just come across my video, I have two daughters, so, and one son. So this one is for my other daughter. This one is for Ellery, my second daughter, and this one is for Eliana, my first daughter. So my son is shouting, ignore please. So it's two winter leggings, so very cozy and warm. I love it. I'm going to order another one for just for next year winter. Next year winter. Or this year winter. Okay. Sorry, because I think winter is almost over. Just by March, winter will be over. So by September, winter will come again. Still in the same year. So this is what I got. And I love it. It's nice. My children are shouting. Please ignore. I'm sorry. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. I need to go look for something to eat now since morning. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and give it a thumbs up. And see you guys on my next one. Bye.